Okay guys, welcome back to a new episode of Surfer and Cyclist channel. Yeah! Alright, so today we're going to have the MINQARIA. We're going to unbox this. Okay guys, and we will also compare to the my custom Ianis right here. Okay, there you go. Alright, so we're going to unbox this today, okay guys? Alright, let's check it out. Let's do it here. We're gonna compare to the Rebirth Ianis. So I have two, actually three. The other one's not ready yet. This Iani right here, I gave it a custom paint on it. So there's like distinction on them. Right there. So this one right here has a purple. Wait. Where's the focus? Uh-oh. Why is the focus not working? Why is the focus not working? There you go. So this here, since it already has a purple on the eye around it, I decided to give it more purple, and then the purple stripes on the back, and then some dark red on the tail, and on the thighs as well. Better than the original. There you go. Now we're gonna unbox this MINQARIA. So let's check it out. Okay guys. Here we go. Oops, we forgot our... Okay, I got it. So let's check it out. Let's open it up. Oops. This is like my second wave of the Rebirth. Ow. Okay, I got it. So it's obviously a Hadrosaurid. Has a crest on the head, like an, I guess, Tyrannosaurus, but no sail on the back. That's no feature because it's a frenzy pack. And here's the DNA scan for you guys. Scan, there you go, it already works. I wish they added more colors, but I added, since there's no variants yet, I'm gonna get two more of these. Oh yeah, definitely. And also, here's my other Iani now. Custom paint, I just finished it today. The color, I googled it. So there's the DNA scan. The Iani still works. What do you guys think? Let's compare to the older ones. Right here. Here's the one with distinction. There we go. And the original right here. So pretty cool. I'm also doing the Edmontonia right now, trying to repaint it. So yeah, I just googled the color and this thing showed up. Trying Ianis and this one. So I also colored the dew claw because it matters to me. And brown, the claws brown as well. So moves. There you go. So yeah, pretty cool. The green Iani now. I'm loving it. There you go. Now back to our main guy, the MINQARIA. So that'll be it for today. Okay guys, enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, and happy 4th of July tomorrow. Okay guys, you guys be safe. Okay guys, and have fun tomorrow. Thank you again, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Have fun. Thanks, bye. Also, almost forgot that today, actually last night, Jurassic World Rebirth is already out worldwide. Pretty cool. Also, I'm going to show you that there's actually a thumb claw for this MINQARIA right there. Wait, there. This thing's not working again. There you go. Like three, it has three claws or hoops. There you go. There's the other part. Yep, that's pretty much it.